This question we have to verify that the equation is an identity. So sine 2x 2 sin x cos is 2 sin x cos. This is what we have to verify. So first off, we have to substitute 2x as x plus x and apply sine as a sum identity. So we know that sine of x plus x, or perhaps sine of a plus b, is nothing but sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So this is nothing but sine of x plus x, which is equal to sine x cos x, which is equal to sine x cos x plus cos x sine x, because a and b are basically same. So sine of x plus x is nothing but sine x cos x plus cos x sin x, which is nothing but 2 times sin x also, because this is also sin x cos x, and this is also sin x cos x, so that is 2 sin x cos x. And the previous expression is equal to 2 sin x cos x, by which identity there's not really any identity required over here, because this is just sin x cos x and sin x cos x. They are just added to give us 2 twice of sin x cos x. So we'll say that the previous expression simplifies to the right side of the identity, and there is no identity required. So last option is the correct choice. Thank you.